Hi there, I am Em, and you, my darlings, are so welcomed here on my channel. I don't want to waste your time, so let's go straight to trading. Let's go. Try to earn as much as possible, and today we will work with Tesla stocks. And we will go all in for 10 minutes with very big amount of money. We've analyzed the chart and let's set for 11 minutes, $11,000. Let's go. The downtrend. We opened with $11,000 the downtrend. It was so nervous, but I have to explain my strategy. To don't look in vain. We analyzed the chart for 1 hour, for 30 minutes, for 10 minutes, and for 3 minutes. We worked on different time frames. We analyzed on different time frames, and as we can see, on all time frames and all intervals, the graph go obviously down. In his last position, and if we zoom it out, we can see the general falling down of the graph. And in general, you can see that it passed time, but it was really obvious on the 1 hour time frame, but the time passed and the graph keeps moving, so let's set a little bit differently. So here's a very big candlestick. It is just enormous, and the Tesla stock just fall out very harsh, and the compensation grew up to the middle of the candlesticks, and after that the gap appeared and the shadow of the candlesticks. What does it mean? It means that the graph will keep falling down. Moreover, it can get over the previous position of the candlesticks and go just further. That's why we entered so risky. As for indicators, let's skip back to 30 minutes time frame, and we can see the up price range. Yes, 1 hour. The price range is uptrending, but the general point is that the graph actually the general tendency is downtrend. So vertically, you can see that here are more price ceilings than in previous position. But right here, if you take a closer look, like right here, there is a price range for the uptrend. Someone else on my position would enter the uptrend, but not me. I will enter the downtrend. I go all in just because here is a gap, like an interval for the shadow of the candlesticks, which pushes the graph just in this pocket, in this area. And let's set the indicators as I promised, because they're our helpers and I can't work without them. Of course, it is stochastic. It shows the meaning of the price floors and price ceilings. Also, it shows the down borderline and the upper borderline. Which we can lean on. If we set back on 1 hour time frame, we can see that there is a storage from stochastic, kind of storage, right? And according to stochastic, the graph didn't reach the support line, and it is pretty transparent, so you can see this interval where the graph will keep it down movement, right? Also, we have Williams percentage. It also shows the general tendency. We used to work also on Aaron, zigzag, and fractal. It also shows right on the graph the up and down peak points. And thankfully to these graphs, to these helpers, we realized that the falling down of the graph isn't over yet. Even if you look at Aaron, you can see that the lines are parallel and they are pretty far from each other, and it means that it will be either downtrend, either uptrend. So all these indicators helped us to open according to this great, as I hope, prognosis, which will bring us about $10,000 at the net profit. So we have 5 more minutes and I'm already boosted up. I'm already so excited, and I hope that we will just that we won't lose, and we will settle down on this chart, and we will confirm our result, we will confirm my prognosis, and so yes, cold-blooded, keep calm, keep trading, and we just have not chances to do something else, to do something different. We went all in. I just tied up my hands. I can't do something else. I can't do something more. So as for points, let's zoom in. The point where we opened, 227, now at 224. So far the downtrend, according to points, it is so obvious, right? I mean, even according to the points, 224, 227 get stable, it consolidated, and it keeps the same, it doesn't change. Less than 4 minutes. Yes, 3 more. So far it is still 224 and 7. And it will go now. The graph switched its direction a little bit, partly, I mean according to the points. Now it again going for profit. It was a little back movement, but according to the pattern it will keep its down movement, because we remember we have a gap interval of the movement, like a safe space, you know, for the chart, for us. We can see that the graph actually chose the down movement and it tries to get lowered, its course. down, let mommy down, let mommy down. Less than 2 minutes. According to the points, have 2 points profitable. 2 points. And we can take advantage of these 2 points. Disadvantage rises up to 2.5 points, and it is pretty good because I thought it was way more nervous. Well, we have 1 more minute and it can go up for even 3 points, but so far we are at profit. It is 224.9 and it used to be 227. Everything which let us down is some news on the market which can change and it gets very volatile, but I hope that nothing will change. Yes, my friends, I can congratulate myself, I can congratulate you, and the deals are closed and we earned $10,000 on the net profit. It's such a result, you know. I think that it will be enough for today because I want to keep this feeling. This feeling of my success, this feeling of my I forgot all the words, sorry. I'm so excited about this result, it tickles me, and I think it just will be enough. So guys, if you want to make this thing for a living, if you want to analyze the charts, if you want to be in risky and be not afraid of it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you unmuted the notifications. And also I have a pretty good offer for you. In the description below the video you can find a referral link which will lead you to my Telegram channel, where for a very friendly entry fee you can get access to all my private consultations, to the results of other guys, and to my personal mentoring if you need my help, if you want for me to be your sensei, to be your teacher. So yes, if you want to look at it far away, just oversee it, then you can keep watching my YouTube. But if you want to do something more, if you want to get more into it, if you need to get more into it, if you need mentoring, you know what to do. Follow this link and I will be waiting you there, and I will be waiting you here on my next videos. Bye you guys, bye guys, Creative M.